Hello, Sagittarius. Welcome back to my channel. And in case if you're new over here, then hello. My name is Tarusha Saxena, and I welcome you to my beautiful world of tarot. On this channel, you're going to find your weekly and monthly love zodiac readings, general zodiac readings, also some fun pick a card readings about love, relationships, marriage, children, career, health, and so much more. So, my dear Sagittarius, if this topic and all these topics interest you, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click that bell icon to receive notifications about my future videos. Now, disclaimers. These readings, my dear Sagittarius, are all general readings, general love readings for you, my dear Sagittarius. And if this particular reading does not resonate with you, then do not forget to check out my other zodiac readings as per your sun, moon, rising, and Venus signs. Also, my dear Sagittarius, please do remember that these readings are timeless readings because timing is fluid. So, whenever you come across this reading, it is meant for you to be watched at that point on time. Alright, so let's get this party started. Alright. So, Sagittarius, temperance, spiritual growth. You are trying to find deeper meanings in life. You are trying to find deeper meanings in life. You're trying to find your higher purpose. You're trying to find that why are you here. You are also trying to find why is this relationship come into your life, and you something about your relationship is pushing you towards spiritual growth and towards your journey into yourself. All right, and you are being looked after and blessed by the angels, my dear Sagittarius. The Wheel of Fortune. We are talking about a karmic relationship over here, Sagittarius. So your partner and your relationship is a karmic relationship. We're talking about Wheel of Fortune, and your relationship will take you through the karmic cycle of good and bads, right and wrongs, black and whites. Happy and sad. All of that is something that you and your partner will travel through. And come on, I mean, what is life? That is what life is about. All ups and downs. That is what life is, and you know. Life is not some business to be managed. It is a mystery to be lived. This is a beautiful line that I read in the Osho Zen Tarot book. It's such a beautiful line that life is not a business to be managed. It is a mystery to be lived, and that is what you need to do. Just enjoy this Wheel of Fortune ride with your karmic relationship with your partner. The Queen of Rods. The Queen of Rods is such a nice and beautiful energy of a stable woman, stability into the relationship. A woman who enjoys, a woman who's pampered into the relationships. But what are you doing, my dear Sagittarius? The Five of Cups. You're focusing and sulking and feeling bad about something of the past. Why are you focusing on the past, Sagittarius? There is a beautiful present that you have. It's a karmic relationship that you have, Sagittarius, with you. So why are you looking into the past, Sagittarius? What is making you look into the past? The Temperance card again. So you have temperance. You're very, very strongly going deep inside you, Sagittarius. It's a very strong spiritual awakening that you are having right now, and something maybe in the past that has happened, okay, is coming again into your life through some way. I don't know what, and that is pushing you deeper and deeper into your past, really deeper into, sorry, it is pushing you deeper into yourself. And that is a reason why you are hurt, okay, not really hurt, but you are aching. You are really in pain. And pain, when I say pain, it's not a physical pain, all right. This pain is a very spiritual pain, and this pain is making you go deep within yourself to find deeper meanings of life and everything around you. The Fool. Okay, this is a very contradictory energy which has come into this reading. The Fool energy into a relationship reading. So I think that Sagittarius, you're trying to analyze your relationship in a very serious manner, and I think that you need to take a leap of faith I think that you are having some doubts. Okay, you're losing some confidence, having some doubts, and looking at the things of the past rather than the bright future that you have right in front of you. So I think that you need to have faith in the universe and take the leap of faith. All right. Maybe you may have done some mistakes in the past and you are scared of that, you don't want to repeat those mistakes in the past, and those were the things which have hurt you so much in the past that they've kind of scarred you for life, and that probably is the reason why you are going so much into spirituality. But my dear Sagittarius, the Fool card is also telling you that, take the leap of faith, because this particular relationship we are dealing with is a karmic relationship, and it is meant for you because there are lessons for you to be learned in this relationship, and there are lessons for your partner to be learned in this relationship. So please go ahead, take the leap of faith. The six of Raphael, the archangel Raphael, tells you embrace your inner child. So any mistakes that you have done in your previous relationships, all right, which made you repent really really bad, then it's okay, forgive yourself, embrace your inner child, new friends or rekindled relationship, childhood or children or childhood, so you need to be a child again. You've just gone through too much, you have been hurting too much, all right. So it's time with this Fool energy that connect with the inner child. This particular relationship is going to bring about that childishness inside you. Go ahead with it. Ace of Ariel is telling you it's your lucky day, new resources of money, time, support, a change is coming along for you. So yeah, probably this change is this relationship. Look forward in time with this relationship. Look at your present that you have. Don't focus on what you have lost and what is gone. Perspective is what you need to change. There is a better way. Pause for reflection and insight. Dare to be different. Okay, so perspective is what you need to bring and change into this particular relationship as of today. In case if you're not in a relationship right now, then what you are fearing is getting into a relationship. But the cards are telling you that, my dear Sagittarius, have that faith in your destiny and in the universe. The relationship that is coming or just waiting right there outside is a karmic relationship coming into your life. Please let it come. These are the messages for you. Soulmate connection, as I said, the Wheel of Fortune, it is a karmic, it's a soulmate connection for you. All right, it is a soulmate connection for you. Most valuable thing in love is time. The next we have I need you. Your partner is going to be needing you, but over here I feel that you are saying your partner or the partner who is to come in your life that you really need them. Yes, you really need, listen to the universe, my dear Sagittarius. So you're not right now listening to the universe, and you're just like kind of scared and taking that leap of faith into your relationship. Take that leap of faith, have faith in the universe. This is a karmic relationship. Listen to the universe, things will fall into place for you, my dear Sagittarius. All right, so Sagittarius, this was your love reading, Sagittarius. Please do remember this is a general love reading for you, Sagittarius. If this particular reading did not resonate with you, do not forget to check out my other love readings as per your other zodiac signs, as per your sun, moon, rising, and the Venus. And also remember that this reading is timeless and you are meant to watch it only when it is meant for you to watch it. All right, Sagittarius, so more power to you. People, have faith in the universe and take that leap of faith. All right, all the best to you, dear ones. Do take care, stay home and stay safe. I will catch up with you guys in my next video very very soon. Bye bye.